This is called no-fail coffee cake, so you can't mess this up. I've already started by beating 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 1 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil to the eggs, and add 1 cup of milk, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix all this together. For the dry ingredients, mix together 3 cups of flour and add 1 cup of sugar. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. Now mix all your dry ingredients together and combine your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. And mix this together. And for the cinnamon sugar topping, you want about 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now blend your cinnamon and sugar together and set this aside. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. You can use a smaller pan, but your cooking time may have to increase a little bit. Take half of your batter and place it into your baking pan and spread it into a thin layer so it covers the bottom of your pan. With your clean hands, take half of your cinnamon sugar mixture and sprinkle it on top of the first layer. And then take the rest of your batter, pour it on top of the cinnamon sugar, and spread this out. It does not have to be perfect. And now take the rest of your cinnamon sugar mixture and sprinkle it on top. Now take half of a cup of melted butter or margarine and drizzle it all over the top. Now place this in a 350 degree preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Look at that! It looks delicious! And we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes to let this stop bubbling, and so the butter seeps into the cake as it cools off. And look what I made! I am so impressed with myself. I know I said it's no fail, but I've never made this before. Okay, put this on a plate. That's perfect. Look what I created. Oh, and there's my coffee. Thanks, guys, for joining me. You know what? I'm not even going to use a utensil. Ready? Oh my God, that's so good. I'll see you guys later.